Maine is a state known as vacation land, but don't let that make you think it's a place for our contestants to just rest, as our schedule keeps them busy as we start our many legs of a race around Maine. The adventure. Yay! She's in the warm mudroom. I'm about to adventuring with the Molloys. You may say, well, wait a second, Liz is here for this exploration. Yes, this is true. She has, as of yesterday, been deemed an honorary Molloy. So, no need to worry, Liz will be with us. We need to go on our thrill-packed adventure around the Molloy homestead at 28 Woodman Ave. Thank you for joining us. And I think we're ready to go snowshoeing. All right. If I can find my glove. Hi, Oreo. Oreo's pretty excited about this too. All right, here we go. Sarah? Yes. Oh, the tape measure. Thank you. All right. We have what appears to be 22 inches. Mikey Molloy, photography.
That's great. Cheers.
Cheers. Hi, Mikey.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. I go survey the Molloy plantation.
It's all our new snow. And here comes Tara. See her new snowshoes? She got those at Beans and we thought it would never snow again. But it did snow. And so now we're going to go off exploring. We have to go in and recalibrate. We've lost our Wi-Fi connection. House. You can see Dr. Liz. Into the back door. Into the mudroom. I should be cleaning this stuff up instead of playing. I'm here for recalibration. Dr. Liz. Paging Dr. Liz. Okay, Liz has given us clearance. Looks like Tara has fallen and she can't get up. Let's go see if we can find her tracks and go find her. Here's the tracks. See, if you live in Maine, you have to know how to track your wife through the wilderness. So, take a look at my knees. I am up past my knees in snowdrift here. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera or not. I might not be getting that on the angle. Oh yeah? Yeah? Oh, that's very nice. I'll probably be able to see that from upstairs. Bye! Bye! Nighty nights. Where'd you go? Oh, that's deep. That's pretty deep, man. Really deep. I'm stuck. Oh, I am up to my crotch in snowdrift. It's the wrong way to go. Alright, here we go. We're out. Liz says it's hot cocoa time, so I guess we'll go and have some hot cocoa, and then we'll come back and do. Our mom says we have to go in now. There's Liz, our producer director, doing a fantastic job for us here inside. Good night. Good night, everybody. Hi, Mikey. This is us driving up. We're on our way to the Toboggan National Champion. Wow.
Using our skills. There's the Mikey. There's the Liz, all suited up, ready to go.
I
Yeah.
bring you tidings of snow pants.
Going into the queue here or around the corner? Here looks good to me. All good coaching words of wisdom.
All right, team.
Hi, Mikey.
All right.
Hi!
Cheers.
Cheers!
Yeah.
There's the line. Don't lean, don't lean, don't lean. Lay straight. All right, so the latest one is to lay straight and lean.
Yeah.
Don't lean. Lay straight, don't lean. Lay straight, don't lean.
Oh, they might be up.
Hi, Liz. Hey,
Lay
Tara.
straight, don't lean. I don't know if that's a good idea.
No?
You gotta lean. Well, no, you gotta.
Lean back, yeah.
back.
Don't lean sideways. That would be
No.
bad. No. Of course
That's
not.
very bad.
Don't tip.
Don't tip.
Don't tip.
All good coaching words of wisdom.
All right, team.
Hi, Mikey.
All right.
Hi!
Cheers.
Cheers!
Yeah.
They're slow. They're slow.
Oh, no hands at the end.
Aww.
977.
See red light blinking? Yes. Okay. We're recording.
Does it count up time on it too?
Yeah. Should.
Yeah, so it says 2:54, 2:55.
Okay.
So you probably shoveling out the chute all last night?
I didn't do it. No,
Oh my gosh.
You're lucky.
That must have been crazy.
I couldn't even shovel out of my driveway.
Right?
Plows never came.
Oh no.
Nobody came here
You're on your own.
all day yesterday.
We good?
That's it.
All right.
Looks good.
Thank you.
Okay.
You guys.
Load right on. Number one, number two.
Hop on.
All right.
Or are you going this
Look.
one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We ready?
There you go.
Okay, we're gonna. Oh God, I got somebody's shoe in my back. Holy crap! You're gonna have to move your legs.
Got me, Mikey?
Oh, God.
You got me.
Okay, I got you, Mikey.
We're ready.
We're on the neck.
What about Bob?
I got you on my leg.
Okay, I got you.
Oh,
Then
you
you got my legs.
you got your leg in my back.
I got your neck.
We're not going fast because we aren't gonna get streamlined.
Oh, wait.
Here we go.
Right to the left as soon as you get off.
Yes, sir.
Left. Lean back. No, not up here. Left.
Green,
Down there.
go.
Lean back! Woo! Okay, I had Tara's leg into my back. I couldn't lean backwards. Oh. Oh my gosh. Good thing we videotaped it because I don't remember any.
So the flying Huffin' Puffins, with their toboggan in hand, they had a good run, not a fast run, but it was a lot of fun. And everybody survived to tell the tale and live another day. Chivalry isn't dead, it's just doing a little time in Thomaston, Maine. Seems like we were all doing a little time in Thomaston, Maine. But we sprung Joe's truck from the joint and headed to Moody's Diner for pie. Pie. Once we've had our fill of pie, it was time to head home to the awards ceremony, where Joe Yamala was awarded the Most Valuable Puffin Award and received a lovely cribbage board boat. Liz Dietrich was awarded the Furthest Traveling Puffin, and she was awarded an all-expense paid trip to Beans! So finally, it was time for Liz to go home for her 11:45 flight, which leaves at 6:50.